Sumpay ini kay okay. Virtual learning places. Virtual learning places are defined here as any virtual learning environment that utilize technology to support technique and learning, both formally and informally. Instructional designer borrow concepts from architecture to define different spaces within the virtual environment. Virtual, amo man siguro ni mga 3D. Kasi ako ni kasabot diri mo. Sa tanan mo. By definition, virtual learning places require technology. The types of technology vary depending on the instructional need. Therefore, the field of education technology uses the term functional architecture to mean the various functional entities and components involved in an instructional system, as well as collaboration and instruction among them. In other words, how does the technology promote new ways of thinking and interacting? An example would be the use of various social learning technologies to promote purposeful learning exchanges. One example of functional architecture within a virtual space is a small group learning place. This virtual place is a space where a subset of the class can collaborate on a project for the class. The table below shows the characteristic of virtual learning places that take into account students' use of mobile devices during their learning experiences for different types of instructional situation, both formal and informal. The listing is a sample of the types of instruction and techniques available. Functional architecture, example of type of instruction techniques, mobile devices, and hindi mo gyapon maklaro. Whole class, example, lecture, presentation, video. Ano yung mga formal learning? Asynchronous. Multiple option for content presentation, including video, audio, narrated slides, show, text, implemented with video and photos. File sharing, reference websites, podcast, discussion boards, wikis, or other collaborative documents. Synchronous. Interactive online presentation, often referred to as webinars. Interactive web conferencing, share whiteboard, student response system. Small group example, small group discussion, learning tasks, research project, problem solving, exercise, case, student. Example of asynchronous discussion boards, file sharing blogs, wikis, or other collaborative document. Synchronous ninja, interactive web conferencing, shared whiteboard chat. Pairs, example, role play, peer critics, peer review system, discussion board, file sharing blogs, wikis, or other collaborative documents. Asynchronous interactive web conferencing, shared whiteboard chat. Individual example, read and reflect, practice, simulation, and asynchronous media, file management, access to remediation, website or online resource, access to online textbook and textbooks resource, electronic portfolios, online quizzes, simulation, and games. Ang synchronous media, access to online technology, help access to work assistance tutoring sites. Um, amura adto suyod sa last sa chapter 4. Og aton una amura sa adto na ako na sabtan. Amura to. Ano, basta na.